Hello class, Mr. Linder here, and in this video I want to show you guys how you can utilize Mastering for this course. Now that you're registered into Mastering, I want to show you how to access your homework and quiz assignments and also show you how you can get some extra help in the study area of Mastering. So what you see on the screen right now is that you've logged into your Canvas class and you have your MyLab and Mastering link. So one of the first things you want to do when you come to Canvas is go ahead and click on that link so that it re-logs you into Mastering. So we get to the Mastering page and we want to open Mastering, so we go ahead and click on that link. And that'll get you logged into your Mastering account. Once you're on the course homepage for Mastering, what you can do is you can take a look at the calendar. So we'll go ahead and click on Calendar. And that's going to show you your assignments that you have due for that particular month. And so you can see the assignments that are due on various days, a laboratory assignment or a homework assignment for Chapter 1 or a quiz for Chapter 1 and so forth. If you want to see the next month, you can click on the arrow. That'll take you to the next month, and that'll show you when the next set of assignments are actually due. And then in green, it shows you when your first lecture examination is going to take place. So this is all in the calendar view when you come into Mastering. One of the other things that you can take a look at is on the left-hand side, you can navigate to other areas. So you have access to your e-text. You also have access, though, to something called the study area. So we're going to go ahead and click on the study area, and then we click on Launch the Study Area. And this is going to take us to other helpful things that are available to you in your Mastering account. So you'll notice again that you have access to your e-text on the left-hand side. You also have access to what are called bioflicks. These are videos and animations that are going to help you to learn some of the more difficult concepts in biology. You also have access to something called interactive physiology, and that too will take you through some demonstrations and help you guys learn some of the more complex physiological things that take place in the human body. You'll also notice that we're on the chapter guide for Chapter 1, and you can change which chapter you are looking at the top of the screen. But since we're on Chapter 1 right now, it just shows you a summary of some of the things that are in Chapter 1. You can also test yourself by doing multiple choice and true-false questions for that particular chapter. But if you want to take a look at another chapter, you just go up to the top of the page, you click on the arrow, and you select which chapter you want to take a look at. So for example, if you want more work on Chapter 3, the cells, you would just click on Chapter 3, and then click Go. And that'll bring up the guide for that particular chapter. And so you have an outline of various sections of the chapter. You also, again, have multiple choice and true-false questions that you can practice with to see how you are doing for that particular chapter. So that is the study area for Mastering. When you're logged into Mastering, you can also access, though, the homework and quizzes from the module pages in your Canvas classroom. So if we go back to the Canvas classroom, we click on Modules. And if we look through, let's take a look at Unit 1 starts here, Week 1. After you go through Chapter 1, you'll get to the end of the module, and it says that for Laboratory 1, you have a Mastering assignment. For the Chapter 1, you have a homework assignment, and then for Chapter 1, you have a quiz. You can access these homework and quizzes and laboratory assignments directly from these pages as long as you've previously logged into Mastering. So I can actually click on the homework assignment page, and there's a link here that if I click on it, it'll take me to the assignments calendar, and I can go ahead and get access to the homework that way as well. So now I can click on the homework assignment, and then it brings up the homework. And so this is what you guys will see is question number 1, metric system review, and so forth and so forth. So I'll click on question 2 here just to show you what it looks like. So this is the homework for chapter 1. And it's attempting to load. There it is. And so here we have a set of questions. After you review the signs of life, it'll have a set of questions about that particular video that you'll answer. And then you can next to the next set of questions, and you'll see the next question in the homework assignment, and so forth and so forth. And then you can next to the next set of questions and answer those. So that's a little bit on using mastering and how you can get extra help in the study area for mastering, and also how you can find ways to access your e-text for the classroom readings. I hope that helps. Take care.